Did you know that your company could be wasting over 500 hours a year just managing your Yardi data? Or even worse, missing out on up to 30% business growth. Imagine this: hours upon hours lost to manual reporting, fragmented data that is spread across endless spreadsheets, and constant delays in decision making. The cost is staggering, not just in time, but in missed opportunities to grow your business and run it smarter. And it's a waste of talent having your analysts spend time manually processing data. And this is where RentViewer's Yardi edition comes in, an all-in-one solution specifically designed for real estate companies that use Yardi. RentViewer is transforming how real estate companies manage their Yardi data. It saves hundreds of hours annually through automation and helps businesses get lean and scale faster. RentViewer helps you stop wasting time on manual processes. With RentViewer, all your data is centralized, automated, and turned into actionable insights. No more fragmented reports, no more manual data exports. Instead, your operations team, your finance team, asset management team, acquisition teams, and the rest of your organization will have real-time dashboards that give them the clarity to make smarter decisions faster. They will be able to act faster on collections, occupancy, work orders, unit turns, and more. They'll be able to analyze deals faster, stay on budget proactively, and close books more efficiently. Companies that use RentViewer are already seeing these benefits today. Think about it. 500 plus hours saved each year. That's 10 hours a week your most valuable employees could be focusing on improving the value of your real estate assets. And knowing that other businesses have already seen up to 30% growth using this system, can you really afford not to explore this solution? RentViewer is your one-stop solution for data management. Here's what you'll get: centralized data, all your P&Ls, rent rolls, budgets, and more in one place. Automated reporting. Say goodbye to manual exports and human errors. Custom dashboards. Tailor your reports exactly the way you want to visualize them. And scalability. RentViewer grows with your portfolio and will integrate new data sources effortlessly. Don't waste another minute with inefficient processes. Discover how RentViewer can transform your business. Book a free demo today and see how you can save time, reduce errors, and boost your business growth starting now. RentViewer, the smarter way to manage your Yardi data and unlock real business growth.